tswang ka ditsebe monate wa tsume ya notsi here on Betway's Metshameko Madness. I'm your host, Kennedy Thal. I'm with two of Botswana's most appreciated, most loved personalities. Renali Maruna Maboroso Tombotu, the biggest comedian here in Botswana.
No, yes.
And we have media mogul and entrepreneur, aka Madame Top Life, Banmita Maboso. The winner of today's game will walk away with 10,000 pula for a charity of their choice. Are you ready to play Metshameko Madness?
Let's get it.
I'm gonna count you down. In 3, 2, 1, let's go! What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Is it blind taste? Is it ghost box? Is it bubble pong? Is it cluck and pop? It is Jump in the Trunk! That's what I'm talking about! Maboso! Ke na pa go tshameka Junk in the Trunk. Why one? I want to run you through the rules.
Let's hear it.
There are 120 balls in that box. You have 30 seconds to get as many of them out as you can. The white balls are worth 25 points, orange balls 50 points, and the blue balls are worth 100 points each. Wanguka, I want you to dance, to shake, to twerk, whatever it takes for you to get these balls out. Are you ready?
I am ready.
3, 2, 1, let's go! You have 30 seconds on the clock. What the Aha! Come on, my girl. Come. 18 seconds. No, 14 seconds. 13. 12. Yo. Maboso untaka 20 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chop life. Chop life. Kina pa gore o tshameke Junk in the Trunk.
Yeah.
I'm gonna count you down, okay?
Okay.
In 3, 2, 1, let's go! 30 seconds, come on now. That's it, cool. 23 seconds, let's go. 22 seconds, let's go. Come on, like that, 17 seconds, now to the 11 seconds. Come on. 7 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ngwana keneng.
Mathata se batlashi.
Kang ke batsadi ko gae.
Ngwana ke.
Ngwana ana bothata. How do you feel?
Kiring.
Hey. Come on. Hey. Tombutu. Why are we good to young
Kiring.
It's time for me to give you the results.
Okay.
Ke go simolola ka wena Chop Life.
Ke sa simolola ka ena Tombo.
Ke batla gore ke simolola ka wena.
Ke na bona ka go simolola ka number 1 go maboteng.
Areng, drum roll. Madam Chop Life, you come in at 2,225 points.
Okay, give it to me.
Tombo.
Thank you, my friends.
Are you ready? Was I all ready? You come in at a whopping. Before I even tell you your score, Tombutu, you did so well. The judges had to count what was left in the box and minus that. Wankapa. Good all together. Wankapa. You come in at a whopping 3,350 points. Congratulations. You win 10,000 of your choice. Hey, come on. Remember, join Betway today.